hope that you're doing this with me because, oh, that looks hard, but if you can see, it's just going in a shape. It's deep red. Liquid Sunshine in my DIY paint. And a cadmium red light hue. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna mix it with the Cowgirl Coral. What am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that art is what you perceive it to be, and if you are painting and you believe, like, you know what, this is beautiful. It's freaking beautiful. I know that doesn't make sense, but it does something to the art itself. I wish that I had a better explanation. I mean, it's your brain. It's your brain believing what you tell it, because it does. I talk about this a lot because it's just so freaking fascinating, and it's so important. And they don't teach it in schools, and I don't understand that, because it's literally how you live your life. I gotta work in some of the fluorescent pink somehow, so it's gonna get muddy because I have blue mixed in here. When you mix cool colors and warm colors, that's when they get dull, and yet here I am doing it. I'm just using a simple plastic palette knife from Walmart. You can find them at any craft shop or on Amazon. I do have a link for it in my description. It doesn't have to be fancy. You can use the edge of a credit card or something. This is my clay paint, my clay chalk paint.
Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with.
I'm mixing a fluorescent orange with that other deep orange I have. Yes, that's better.
Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches, sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Front porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. You play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches, sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd another rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
I didn't use this fluorescent yet.
Leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you. Ooh, ooh. So
Thank you for watching.
hold you in my arms, won't let
Very passionate about the ADHD things because we're not told about them, the true things. Misinformation that's going on out there. Today my husband needed to get a refill for his ADHD meds, and they're like, yeah, we weren't able to get that. It'll be a couple days. Okay, because I think, well, you know, it's ADHD stimulant medication. They don't need that. Can you imagine if you needed an antibiotic or insulin or something, and the pharmacy was like, oh, we can't get that today, sorry. It wouldn't happen. So I am like all talking about it. I have 12 or 13 or 14 or 8 videos in there. So anyway, it's on Facebook. So it'd be facebook.com/groups/messybrainedladies. I'll put it in here. Just on Facebook course, but the course is inside the group. That's really important. And I want everyone to see them. So in August, I'm like, you don't even have to pay. Just please come in and watch the videos and then leave if you want to. That's how passionate I am. It tends to get worse the older we get. So women our age, because of hormones, things affect the way your brain functions anyway. So a lot of times, a lot of women tell me, you know, it seems to be getting worse. Why is it getting worse? Because we're getting older. And we don't have the estrogen that helps even things out. So that's a big thing too. Anyway, a lot of times if you just treat the ADHD, you can get much improved on the anxiety and depression. I'm so passionate about it. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. And I'll put the link in here in case you guys want to check it out. I ate a bunch of little mini chocolate chips, and I don't feel very good. So there's that.